Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Warm greetings from Busy. My name is Mansi Riani and today we are conducting a webinar on consignment in Busy. In this webinar, I will explain you all the steps for the configuration of consignment in Busy. First, I will present you the topic of consignment with the help of PPT, and after that, I will show you practical step of consignment in Busy. If you have any query and doubts, you can ask at the end of the session. Now I am starting the webinar. Consignment in Busy. What is consignment in Busy? Consignment sales are a trade agreement in which one party, means the consignor, provides goods to another party, means the consignee, to sell. However, the consignee owns the right to return unsold goods back to the consignor. In other words, a consignment sale is an agreement in which a third party is entrusted with selling goods on the behalf of owner. Consignee are also called as commission agents. Based on the transaction, they are earn the commission. What are the advantages of consignment? Instant availability of goods. You have an instant availability of goods as per the demand of market. Ability to test market demand. You have a very powerful feature. You can check the demand of market. As per the ability of that, you can purchase the goods. Regular restocking. You can restock the goods regularly. Flexibility. You have a very flexibility. You have to just buy the product and sell the product. Save inventory holding cost. You have to save the inventory holding cost in goods. Do not set up retail store. Does not set up a retail store. You don't have to need set up any retail store. You just have to buy the product and sell it. You don't have to buy any separate setup retail store. Though this is the advantages of consignment. Multiple items has be consigned. Multiple item has be consigned to goods. What are the disadvantages of consignment? Consignor receives less profit. Consignor receives less profit. Risk is more for consignor. Delayed payment for consignor. If you do the credit transactions, you have a delayed payment for consignors. Buyer pays consignment fee. What are the benefits of consignment? Easy and hassle-free working. You have a very easy and hassle-free working in consignment. Predefined customer-wise margin. You have to define predefined customer-wise profit margin. Auto-generate sale voucher from purchase voucher and vice versa. Means auto-generate purchase voucher from sale voucher. When you save the purchase voucher, it will automatically ask you in Busy. You have to copy and generate the sale voucher or vice versa. Comprehensive reports in Busy. You have a very different vendor wise, single vendor wise, date wise, order number wise. You have a various comprehensive reports in Busy. What are the implementation steps in Busy? What is the first step? Step 1, company. You have to create the company first. After creating the company, it will ask you the trade specific. On selecting the trade specific, we have already default option of consignment with order. When you select consignment with order, it will automatically take your order processing, your consignment feature. If you are using garment industry, it will ask you for the parameter option. All the config will be set automatically. If you don't have to choose automatically, you have to do manually also. You have both have options have been given in Busy. Step 2 is the configuration. Means you have to enable order processing. You have to enable consignment feature. You have to enable parameter feature. You have to enable item-wise markup, item-wise discount. You are the configuration need to set in Busy. Third step is create item buyer consignor master. You have to create item buyer consignor master in Busy. Step 4, customer wise profit margin in with order. In case of with order consignment, you have can set customer wise profit margin. Without order, we can set bill sundry masters. Step 6, sale type master. You can set party wise, item wise sale type master. You can tag sale type item wise master on the basis of item. Step 7, tag bill sundry voucher wise. You have to tag bill sundry voucher wise. Step 8, sale order. You have to pass sale order through whom the product order has been generated. You have to pass sales order on the basis of that. Step 9, purchase voucher. To whom you are purchasing the goods, you have to pass the purchase voucher for that. Step 10, sale voucher, copy and generate. When you click on the purchase voucher and when you click on the save option, it will automatically ask you copy and generate the sale voucher. When you click on copy and create the sale voucher, it will automatically copy all the configuration in your sale voucher. You just have to save the sale voucher with the configuration of on the basis of sales order. 11th step, you have to print the invoice. You can print the invoice on the basis of your voucher. 12th step is report. You can see various reports in Busy like GST summary, consignment report on the basis of vendor wise, on the basis of order number, on the basis of customer wise. You can see various reports of consignment in Busy. First, you have to create the company. On creating the company, as I told you previously, it will automatically ask you trade specific default configuration. When you select trade specific default configuration, it will show you consignment garment with order. This is the garment industry in which the with order consignment has been used. With order, you can maintain in garment industry, you can maintain parameter like size, brand, color, etc. So this is the very powerful feature for garment industry with order consignment. Without order consignment can be used in mandi. Mandi means grain industry in which you have to purchase the grain, vegetables and etc. and sell it to the customer. So you have two type of consignment and busy. With order can be used in garment industry. In garment industry, you can maintain parameter, size, color, brand, etc. You can maintain that. Second type is without order. Without order you can maintain in mandi means grain industry in which you have to purchase the grain, you have to purchase the vegetable, you have to purchase the fruits and sell it to the customer or the wholesalers. Second one is the configuration we have to do in Busy. You have to enable order processing, you have to enable challan, you have to enable consignment, you have to enable parameter in case of with order. Next one, type of consignment in Busy. With order, without order. You have two type of consignment in Busy. With order, movement of goods. Without order. With order can be used in parameter industry. Without order can be used in mandi industry, that means grain industry. Party master, after that you have to do, after setting the create the company, after setting the configuration, after setting the consignment feature, you have to create the party master. After that, what is the farmer name, what is the customer name, you have to create the party master after that in Busy. After creating the party item account master, you have to create the item master. You have to create the item master like designer sari, etc. which you are purchasing or selling the product. You have to create the item master for that. Customer wise margin. In case of with order garment industry, you can set already predefined, you can set the customer wise profit margin. That customer name is in agro products, you have margin of 20%. Customer name is HP Enterprise, you can set the margin of 25%. You have a customer name MVS Argo product, you can set the margin of 30%. You can predefine the customer wise profit margin in Busy. At the time of voucher, on the basis of customer name, it will automatically pick your margin on the basis of set predefined profit margin. After enabling the configuration. In case of without order, you have to create the bill sundry like Mandi Tax, Krishi Kalyan says. You have to create the bill sundry master for that. Without order, you have to do the sale purchase type. You have to do the sale purchase type. For consignment 1%, for consignment 2%, you have to create the sale type master on the basis of item. Like example, you have a onion item on which the consignor charges 1%. You can tag that in later on. Consignment for onion item has been 1%. Consignment 2% is for potato. You can set at the time of voucher, it will automatically pick the consignment sale type on the basis of your item. Tag bill sundry voucher wise. In case of without order, you have to tag bill sundry voucher wise. Well, purchase, this is the humble bill sundry. You have to create purchase, humble commission, sale, consignment 1%, association fees, Monday tax, July fees, KKC6. Item wise sale type. You can define the item wise sale type. On the basis of item wise sale type, you can define the item, like this is the item like onion, potato, or the sale type will consignment 1%. For consignment potato, the consignment sale type is 2%. You can predefine the custom configure item wise sale type. After that, you have what you have to do. You have to pass the sale order in case of with order parameter feature. On adding the sale order voucher, you have to select the party to whom you are selling the product. After purchasing the party, it will ask you, you have a multiple vendors or the single vendor. If you select the single voucher, for all the items, you have a single vendor. If you select multiple vendor, or for each item, it will ask you the vendor item wise. After selecting the item, it will ask you the vendor. After that, you have to define the purchase price. This is a 500 amount for your purchase, and automatically the margin will pick the 20%. Automatically, the sale price will automatically calculated on the basis of purchase price and the basis of margin. The 600 will be the margin. Purchase. After passing the sale order, you have to purchase the purchase voucher. You have to add the purchase voucher. On adding the purchase voucher, you have to select from whom you are purchasing the goods. After selecting the purchase voucher, you have to define the consignment type, multiple customer or the single customer. If you define the single customer, you have to specify the customer name over here. After selecting the customer name, it will automatically show you all the pending customer list you defined in the sale order. When you save the purchase voucher, it will automatically ask you, do you want to copy and generate the sale voucher? When you click on the yes option, it will automatically generate the sale voucher. Automatically party name will be picked, material center will be picked, all the item details will be picked. You just have to save the voucher and preview the invoice. Bulk consignment sales utility in case of without order. If you have passed multiple purchase voucher, now you have to generate the bulk consignment sale utility in sale voucher in one go. You have a option in bulk updation, bulk consignment sale utility, generate pending consignment sales. When you click on generate pending consignment sale in bulk updation, you have to select the series name, date, material center, generate invoice, sales invoice. You have to define the date range. After selecting the date, load voucher, all the pending voucher which is not passed in sale voucher yet will automatically load. You just have to just select all. You just have to select single, or you just have to generate the sale voucher. All the automatically purchase voucher, pending sale voucher will be passed in one go. Print. When you print the sale invoice, it will show you the configuration like that. It depends on you have to customize the configuration or not have to do the configuration. Bulk payment. Without order, we have an option of bulk payment utility for consignment. You have to select the date range, account range, or you have to select after that defining all the pending which is the bulk payment, you have to define the payment voucher. All the party master will automatically load in one go. Bulk payment will be done by this utility in bulk updation for consignment. Reports. We have various reports for consignment order summary. You can see customer wise consignment, vendor wise consignment, order wise consignment. If you select customer wise, you have to select the customer name and you can see the customer consignment report. Vendor wise, if you select the vendor wise report, you have to select the vendor name. You can see the vendor consignment report. If you select order wise, you have to select the order number. You have to define the order number and you can see the order number consignment report. GST report. If you select the purchase voucher, add the purchase voucher and pass the sale voucher. All the purchase voucher will be given in input GST. If you have the sale voucher which will be passed, all the sales voucher will be reflected in output GST. So this is the GST summary will look like for the purchase voucher and the sale voucher. Now I'll move to the practical demo in Busy. First, I will show you how to create a company. Consignment. On saving the company, it will load your company details. You have an option of trade specific configuration. On click the trade specific configuration, you have an option consignment garment with order. If you select consignment garment with order, the consignment feature, enable order processing, enable challan, enable item-wide discount and series, all the configuration will be set automatically by default in Busy. So this is the option we have in Busy. Now move to the company. First we'll check consignment in Busy with order. What we have to do is you just have to open the company first, create the company first and log in into the company. After login the company, what you have to do, you have to do the configuration. For configuration, what we have to do, we have to go to administration, configuration, features and options, inventory. In inventory, you have to enable order processing. You have to enable consignment feature. You have to enable for garment industry with order can be used. You have to enable parameter feature, configuration. Configuration for parameter, you can maintain brand, size and its color. So this is the configuration can be set for with order consignment. After doing the configuration, we have to create the account master. I already created the account master. Let me show you the list. You have to create the creditors first. Creditor like Busy Infotech, Gayatri Sarees, Hartika Sarees, MK Silkwood. So this is how you can create the sarees account master. You can save it. For debtors, I will show you how I created the account master. Goyalji customer, Narayana customer, HP Enterprises customer. So this is the customer you can create in Busy. After creating the account master, what we have to do, you have to create the item. Let me show you the list for the item which I created. Banarasi sari, cotton sari, designer sari, shirt. On shirt, I enable the parameter feature. In this parameter feature, we can maintain brand, size, and its color. So this is how we can create the item and enable the parameter feature in your item master. After creating the item master, you have to set the customer wise profit margin. In administration configuration, we have an option of customer wise profit margin. On selecting customer wise profit margin, you have to select the customer name like Goyalji customer. The profit is 20%. For HP customer, you have a pro margin of 25%. For Narayana customer, the margin is 30%. You can set like that. After setting the customer wise margin, we have to pass the sale order. This is the sale order voucher. Let me select the party here. GoLG customer. After selecting the GoLG customer, it will ask you consignment required. I will enable yes. Single vendor or multiple vendor. If I select single vendor or multiple vendor. Single vendor, I select Gayatri sarees. I selected shirt here. 2 pieces. It will ask you the parameter detail. The brand is coat, size is XL, black, quantity is 1. We define the brand, size, its color, the quantity is 1. After setting the configuration, it will ask you the window for the consignment price discount details. What are the purchase price for this item? Let's suppose you define a 1000. Automatically, as per the customer GoLG, we set the margin of 20%. On the basis of 20%, it will automatically calculate your sale price is 1200. After passing the sale order voucher, what you have to do, you have to pass the purchase voucher. Purchase voucher we have to pass. You have to select the party Gayatri sales. Consignment required yes. Single customer Gayatri. GoLG customer here. See, the pending sale order will automatically load as per the single customer. I have to select OK now. All the item details will be loaded automatically. 1000 is the say purchase price for this item. 1000 price will automatically picked. On saving the voucher, it will ask you, do you want to copy and generate the sale voucher? If I click on yes option, see, it will automatically add the sale voucher. The party name is GoLG customer. The shirt name is shirt. The price is 1200. So it will automatically generate your sale voucher. After that, we can see the invoice. Preview of invoice. This is the preview of invoice. It will automatically come. Consignment in busy textile. This is a shirt item, 2 pieces for 1200 price. It depends on you. Is it or totally configurable format? You can configure it. After doing the sale voucher, we can see the consignment report. Display consignment report. Consignment order summary. Yeah, we have 3 options: customer wise, vendor wise, order wise. Customer wise. Customer wise, you have to select the customer name, GoLG customer. See, all the voucher which has already passed has been shirt. Shirt voucher has been passed now. The consignment order voucher we can see. Adjustment sale voucher. It can be see from here. Vendor wise, you have to select the vendor from whom your shirt, GoLG customer, voucher order number 7, order quantity received 2. Order wise, you have to define the order number, like 7 is the order number. You have to define the parameter value. You have to see the values of item also. You can enable this option. The shirt is a code, Veromoda. Wait, this is the vendor. This is the quantity for this parameter. This is the order purchase price, sale purchase price. You can see the reports from here. After that, we can see the GST summary. Display GST reports, GST summary, summaries, GST summary. You can define the date range over here. You can see the input for purchase voucher and the output for sale voucher. If I click on the input GST, it will show you the purchase voucher for the whom you purchase from goods. This is the output GST. We can define the GoLG customer shirt is the order number, it will show you the all sale voucher deleted from here. So this is all the configuration we have to do in consignment in busy with order. This with order can be used in parameter industry. Parameter industry means garment industry. Now I'll move to the next company, consignment in busy without order. This is used in mandi, means grain industry. First of all, you have to create the company. After creating the company, you have to do the configuration. You have to do the administration, configuration, features and options, inventory. In this, we don't need to maintain the order. You have to enable the consignment feature. You have to enable the consignment feature. On enabling the consignment feature, you have to click on configure button. You have to select without order, maintain customer at the time of purchase. When you maintain adding the purchase voucher, it will ask you the customer at the time of purchase entry. Maintain price of sold voucher. Example, you have a 500 rupees of your purchase voucher. If you want to maintain the same price as 500 rupees as your sale voucher, so you have to maintain this option, maintain price of source voucher. This is the configuration we can done. After creating the configuration, we have to create the account master. I will show you the account master which I already created. Sundry debtors, agro product vendors, and agro traders, organic world. This is the debtors which I create. Now I'll show you the creditors list. This is busy Infotech Gayatri Saris, Harif Singh farmers, Keshav Maurya farmer, Ketan Parekh farmer, Manoj farmer. This is the farmer which I created. After creating the item master, you have to create the bill sundry. Administration masters bill sundry. Bill sundry like KKC says, Krishi Kalyan says. You have to define the default value. This is how you can create the bill sundry master. KKG says additive, others bill sundry nature is default value is 1%. If you want to affect the cost of goods and purchase, you can enable this option. You have to define the sale voucher here. You can define the sale voucher here. Monday tax, you enable Monday tax. Monday tax will be enabled in your sale voucher. You have to define the bill sundry master for your Monday tax. Adat is the tax which I created. Association fees, which is applicable on Monday. You have to define the association cess. Hamal is a tax which I charged. So this is the configuration. KKC says Monday tax. So you have to lie tax. So you have to create all the bill sundry as per the taxation of your grain industry. After creating the bill sundry master, you have to create the sale type. For sale type, you have to go to administration, masters, sale type, consignment 1%, consignment 1%, consignment 2%. This is the how sale type has been created. After creating, I'll show you the use of this sale type. After creating the sale type master, you have to tag bill sundry voucher wise. Configuration, tag bill sundry voucher wise. You have to define sale, series name, list of combination. This is the bill sundry which I created for purchase. The local exempt is the purchase type. Default bill sundry is Hamal. Default value is 200. Freeze value yes or no. Commission default value is 2%. For sale voucher, sale type is 1%. For the consignment 1%. The bill sundry charge on sale voucher is Adat, association fees, Monday tax, Tulai fee, KKC says. You can define the value over here. In the sale voucher, at the time of passing the sale voucher, all the default bill sundry will be automatically picked from here as per the default value. After creating tag bill sundry voucher wise, what do you have to do? You have to go to administration, bulk updation, generate pending consignment sales. On clicking the option, you have an option of generate item wise sales invoice. On enabling this option, you have to click on the configure button. You have to define the item name as onion. For onion, the consignment charge is 1%. So you have to define the sale type is 1%. For potato, the consignment will be charged as 2%. So you have to define the potato, the sale type will be charged as 2%. So the this is the configuration for item wise sale type you can define from here. Item wise sale type you can define from here. After defining the generate pending consignment sales invoice item wise, you have to pass the purchase voucher. When selecting the purchase voucher, what you have to do? You have to select the vendor. You have to define the price over here. See, the bill sundry will automatically picked up as we select tag bill sundry voucher wise. On doing the configuration, it will automatically ask you on saving the purchase voucher, do you want to copy and generate the sale voucher? And you click on yes option. It will automatically pick your Hari Singh Farmer as your party master, go down one as your material center, mid onion as your item, and I ticked pick price as source voucher, so it will automatically pick as purchase price 1000 as sale price as 1000. And all the bill sundry you have to select consignment 1%. You have to select the consignment 1% sale type. All the bill sundry will be tagged as per the default value. After doing the configuration of your purchase voucher and saving the sale voucher, you can see the preview of your sale voucher. This is the preview of your sale voucher. This is the item. These all are the bills until this has been charged in your sales voucher. After previewing the sales invoice, what we have to do? We have to go to bulk administration, bulk updation, generate pending consignment sales. You have to define the go down, the sale type as consignment 1%, load voucher. If you have any of the pending purchase voucher which is not has been passed in your sale voucher, all the voucher has been loaded here as per your purchase voucher. All the purchase voucher has been loaded here. What you have to do, you have to select all, or you have to select both the option you have. You can select all, create, yes. All the vouchers has been created. Now you can see the purchase voucher has been passed for this item. So this is how in one bulk go we can generate pending consignment sale voucher in one go. After doing that, we can do the bulk payment for consignment. Have to go to administration, bulk updation, bulk payment for consignment. We have to select the option like this. You have to select the date range over here. All the vendors will be automatically, farmers will come here. The amount not has been paid and had to be paid will automatically pick here. You have to click on the save option. You have to define the series name here. The bank account is or the cash account. You have to select the cash. Discount account is discount. Round off amount have to pay automatically. Up to round off is the account have to tag. 4 general voucher has been passed. Now I'll show you the general vouchers from here. This is the general voucher has been created for 1202 amount, for 11592,800 amount, 30,000 amount, 70200 amount. All the voucher has been. So this is a very facilitate option of bulk payment for consignment. We can do the bulk payment in one go. After doing the payment, bulk payment for consignment and bulk payment for sale voucher in one go, we can see the report from here at display consignment reports, vendor wise stock, one vendor, group of vendors, all vendor. You have an option of one vendor, you have to select the report, group of vendors or all vendors you have to select. If you select all vendors, you have to select the report date, report to be shown by main unit, alternate unit or both unit. You can select the both unit. It will automatically load all the vendors list from here. The vendor name, the customer name, the item name, the received quantity, unit, received unit, quantity, all the cleared quantity, all the details will be shown from this report. After that, you can see the GST summary, display GST report, GST summaries, GST summary. You have to select the date range from here. Input GST, output GST. You have two options like input GST and output GST. For purchase voucher, all the input GST will come under input GST. For all the sales voucher, all the details will be come in output GST. If you click on input GST, it will show you all the purchase vouchers over here. If you select output GST, it will show you all the sales voucher here. So this is the very powerful feature in Busy. You can use it very well in Busy. You have a two type of consignment in Busy. Consignment with order. With order can be used in garment industry, in which you can maintain parameter. With the parameter you can maintain brand, size, color. Second type of consignment in Busy is without order. Without order you can maintain in mandi. That means grain industry. You just have to purchase the product like grains. You have to purchase the vegetables. You have to buy the fruits or just sell it to the farmers. You just have to purchase from the farmers and sell it to the vendors. Now we'll move to the Q&A session. Does consignment available in basic model? No, it is available only in standard and enterprise model. What is the official site of Busy? www.busy.in. Is Busy support available for 24/7? Yes, it is available for 24/7. Is Busy support available in local region language? Yes, it is available. Is Busy having any YouTube link? Yes, here's the link for YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your precious time. I hope you all understood the topic. Please do practice for your better knowledge. For further queries, our helpdesk team is just a call away. Helpline number and email ID will be given in screen.